Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Finish the prior quests and unlock that second magic gate. This matters because the gate won't respond otherwise. Once done, open your journal and check the gate's objective, then gather the 3 Dreamlight keys and 500 Dreamlight currency needed to interact. Make sure to save first and set a nearby fast travel point for a quick fallback. This prevents lost progress if you need to retry. Now approach the gate and prepare to initiate removal. You now engage the gate directly. Interact to start the removal sequence and follow the on-screen prompts, because timing affects success. Use the 3 Dreamlight keys one at a time in the specified order and solve any quick mini-puzzles. These unlock the gate's core and disable its protections. While doing this, keep inventory clear so returned items or rewards can be received without overflow. If an animation interrupts, wait, don't move, until the sequence completes to avoid desync. You finish by verifying the gate is gone. Check the map and quest log for updated state and collect any post-removal rewards. If the gate did not remove, reload your last save and try the sequence again. Many issues clear after a reset. If reloading fails, exit and re-enter the area before retrying, because that resets server-side scripts. Should problems persist, capture screenshots, note your game version, and submit a bug report to support. This helps fix stubborn, reproducible glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.